Okay, let's start now. Uh, Sorry for the delay. Hi everyone, glad to see you at this meeting again. This is the second StaFi community meeting. This is Sarah from StaFi team. I'm in charge of StaFi operation work. Blank, the lead of marketing and operation. Shirley, the head of product, joined the online meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to summarize the work of StaFi team and StaFi Warriors team in the past month, and explore how we can coverage better in the next month. The agenda of this meeting has four parts. The part one is the recap in December and the key target in January. The part two is Shelly will share the product progress. The part three is every moderate and a better and a better recap in the past month. The part four is free discussion session. Everyone is welcome to share thoughts and ideas to boost the staff community. Now, Blank will host the meeting. Hi, Blank. It's your turn now.
Hi everyone, very glad to have you here. Yeah, this is our monthly meeting so that we have a chance and every warrior could talk about the works, maybe the questions and also the challenges you have met so that we could know how to help you guys. Okay, let's begin. First, I will share about the Steffi's main work in December. Okay, first, in December we still focus on Steffi Hub and RDEX. Yeah, we have list the face and the atom pool on RDEX so that Cosmos members could just have a chance to access the face tokens, right? So also we release the R atom money, and there is a sheet you could see it here. You could see all the atom our atom minting volume is uh, increasing very uh, largely since I think it's December 26th. Now you could see there are about 11K increase since the liquid mining programs for our atom pool is released. I think this number is quite good. And also you could see the whole RDEX TVL, and you see on Stevie Hub chain only. Now the TVL on RDEX is about 1.5 million million USDT value right now. So I think the number is quite good. And yeah, of course, they keep increasing. And another is for the BD work. Actually, we choose the actually now our BD work for the integration is that we the the target protocol only if they agrees to provide initial liquidity for Stevie Hub, then we will issue the liquid staking solution for them. So we are choosing this strategy, and this strategy we have to have that agreement from them. Then we could help them on the liquid staking solution. So the progress is not so quickly. Now we have a target called Carbon Protocol, and our another manager called Faison, and he is help us to nail down on the MOU terms. So hopefully we could nail down in short term, but still have to wait for their agreement on the initial liquidity support. So another is that we keep creating user scenarios for our tokens. Let's say what a whale, and now everyone could just trade our Huahua on Huahua chain. Yeah, a white whale is deployed on it's kind of a DEX deployed on Huahua chain. So another is an important thing is about community building, and our Warriors website is live that so everyone could just see their our Warriors profile there, and they could apply. Yeah. Another is dog governance. You could see that in the past months, a lot of proposals are coming on the forum, and some of them already passed by the core team. And another is about the ranging program. Yeah, last day we have a meeting call with Alpha to recap the Ranger program, and we hope to upgrade it in the next month, January. Right. So another part is the campaigns design. Yeah, first in the next step, we will still release liquid farming programs for Face and Atom pair, and next will be our Face and our our Atom. No. I think there's some missing. Our Hua. Sorry for the yeah, and also the R atom and atom pair will go on. It's liquid it already lasts two weeks, and I think maybe it will last for another week. Yeah, another thing is about our Ether. Since you guys could see that the Shanghai upgrade for Ether Room is coming, and the Ether Room liquidity solution is become a hype in the crypto space. So we have prepared a grant incentives for the our Ether token when Shanghai upgrade is released. So we could attract another volume, increased volume from these events. Yeah, just like to show it here. Yeah, there's a thread made by Cal, which is one of the KOL in crypto space. You could and he made a comparison between all the liquidity solutions. You could see StaFi is one of them, right? And yeah, I think it's a good show, but I think StaFi has a great potential, and we should use that hype and to prepare for the Shanghai upgrade. And also we have related incentive programs to be prepared. So hopefully we could just welcome this upgrade uh, and gain a larger pie share. Yeah. Okay, let's say what should we do? What's the main work in January? First is about Ultracan V4 upgrade, which means that we will keep improving the UI UX of the Ultracan app, which is deployed on StaFi chain. So now actually about the R Ether and R BNB, R Matic, actually they already be the development work is already complete, but we have to wait for other R tokens, let's say RSO and RSO and R dot and RKSM to be completed. So after that, we will release it to the users. Another is that StaFi Hub integrations. We have some targets, but I think the next one, or maybe the carbon network. Hopefully, we could get their final information in this week. Another is as DAO building. Of course, the Ranger programs. We will upgrade the Ranger team to make them more focused and more capable on the promotion. Another is a forum engagement, because in the actually in the first Q of this year, DAO governance is one of the most important part for StaFi. It's because yeah, we have said that in the first step we will increase the forum engagements. Let's say a lot of community members reading proposals and start discuss about StaFi or StaFi Hub on forums. Next step, we will release how everyone could vote with Face tokens on these proposals, which means that in the next stage, we will release the Face governance on-chain vote scheme to the community, so everyone with Face tokens could know how to vote and how to determine which protocol will be passed. So next is about campaigns. Yeah, And yeah, although this market, secondary market is not good, but I think the campaign still has its own competitive edge because actually I just want to share that we are not so confident about the R atoms push incentives because the secondary market is very terrible and everyone is feared of losing money. So but another side is that we just wanted to uh, reward or increase adoption on Stavi Hub. So we just say, hey, let's try it. Then we just release the RH pool initiatives. But I think the results is quite good. Yeah, well, I think it's kind of increase our confidence for the core team. So I think in the next step we will keep releasing these incentives and to increase the whole adoption of StaFi's liquid staking solutions. So during the, I think the R Ether part will be the most important because the R Ether takes about 70 percentage of the whole TVL of StaFi, and they have an upgrade, Shanghai upgrade in the near term. So we have be prepared, and we have designed that, but we will wait a good timing to release it. So I think that's my whole part. Uh, okay. Let's see. Let's move to next stage. After that, I think Shirley. Hey, Shirley, are you there?
Hi, Blank.
Okay,
So
your turn.
yeah. So the Blank have a very detailed explanation about the hardware product and the community part, and I gonna just briefly introduce the product side. So in the last month, December, we just keep building the R token app version 4, and the RTH, Kusama, and R dot has been launched testnet. Okay, one people want to join in the testnet, and already the our Matic also finished the internal testing, and our devs are fully like development to launch the Airbnb now. Except that we also finished the development and the test of the our product. The more products are coming, such as a fee station and the bridge. We are working full steam and ahead on the development work, and I believe the result would be juicy and was well, as Blank just mentioned before. So, yeah, so let's keep building and wait for the wave, the Staffy Warriors. Guys, that's basically what the product side. Back to Blank and Sarah.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Shirley. Sharing. Actually, we value the UI UX of every product of Steffi. Very, yeah, we value that. So we will keep upgrading the products, even though it's quite old. Let's say our Chung app in the past over 2 years running, we have to update it to V4. So we will copy it. Maybe in the future it will be return. I don't know. We will keep doing that. Okay. Next stage next step will be the warrior part. So warrior part, I think we could use this sheet to determine the turn. First from the moderator team. Hey Adam, are you there?
A blank, thanks.
Yeah,
And
your turn. Yeah.
for those who are new here, I'm assisting as the community manager for StaFi. And my main work in December mostly consisted of mainly managing the Telegram and Discord communities, especially in helping onboard new users to StaFi and supporting the daily operational work of the StaFi core team. In addition to that, I usually help the Staffy core team with rewriting some of the articles before publishing them. For example, during December, I rewrote the quarter one roadmap as well as the Staffy 2022 year recap. and New Year outlook as well. All in all, excited to see Stuffy grow, especially in the terms of our DAO governance platform. Everything seems like it's starting to take shape so far, and I hope this year will bring many great developments. So that's about it.
Yeah, great. I think there's a very good moderator in the Telegram is that you could just post, a short words, a short summary on what's happening on StaFi every day. I think it's quite helping. Okay, I think the next turn is Alpha. Hey, hey Alpha.
Hello, Blank.
Hey.
Hey guys, for everyone, I'm Alpha Tower, and I'm mainly the community manager and moderator also for Discord, and also the manager for the Rangers program. So my main work in December, as a recap, so I built the Rangers program from the ground up, and all the necessary tools and uh, all the things needed for the uh, Staff Rangers program to run. And as of December, comparing to the November data, so we have an increase in all of the counts for Staffy Eco Twitter. So that's a plus. But the Staffy Rangers program still has flaws. And with the meeting yesterday with Sarah and Blank, they have proposed some very uh, cool or intuitive way for the Rangers program to be upgraded. So the one of the upgrades are already implemented today. So for the December data, all tweets are considered and awarded or credited for the effort. So this coming January or starting about yesterday, only the important tweets are going to be assessed and rewarded. So most general or common tweets are not going to be included for the rewards. And so for the next month of for this month of January, another observation period for the upgrades will take place. If we could upgrade or add more rangers to the program by February. So we will focus more on the target users on the Staff Hub side for the Cosmos ecosystem. And so, yeah, December was a really busy month for me. So that's all for me. Thank you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for our Alpha's great work in the Rangers program. We have seen the outcoming results, and hopefully, in the January and February, the Rangers team will have a great upgrade to make it better and better. Okay, next Miracle. Hey, hey, Miracle.
Hey
Hello.
Blank.
Hey, your turn.
Hey Blank.
Yeah, I am here.
Good
Yeah, we
day,
could hear
everyone.
you.
All right. I'm Miracle, and I happen to be the Twitter operator for Staffy. And in the past month, which was December, I handled some. I handled some announcements. I drafted some announcements, created some promotional posts for Staffy products, and I provided the necessary support for the users on Twitter. Attended to so many queries and provided the necessary support, and trying to keep the official handles very active and going. So basically that was it for December. And also on the lighter note, I tend to reach out to a few projects that will be interested in some of our products and services. So basically that was it for me for last month.
Hey, okay. Thanks, Miracle. And actually, Miracle is also help us to do some BD work, and it's very helpful in the StaFi ecosystem. Hi, Dio. Hey, are you there? Hey, I
Yeah,
have
hi.
seen you.
Hi.
Hey.
First of all, very happy New Year to entire team. Meeting all first time in this year. Wishing all of you great successful year and wishing Staffy project also like a very delighted year ahead. Okay, so for me, December, I'm the testing moderator for Staffy. So I was mainly looking into our Matic side of the R tokens app. So I managed to test the R Matic workflows and have provided the feedback. So I'm waiting for the updates to come and to see what needs to be done next. That was the major contribution in December. And yeah, I'm looking forward in this year. One of the things, like, it's very excited that Shirley is bringing up the things which are coming ahead and what are in line for Staffy to look forward. So yep, I'm very excited to see that. That's it from my end. Thank you.
Yeah, you are quite helping on the to help us to improve the UI UX, and I think there's will be tasks for you very near in the near term. Uh, okay, okay. I think next step will be all the ambassadors. Hi, Kenny, are you there? Hello.
General
Hi,
organization
Kenny.
for the staff with people they join.
Sorry, uh sorry I Hi, Kenny, are you there? Okay, if no, I think move to Delphin. Hi, Delphin.
Hello, hello everyone.
Yeah, we could hear
Uh,
you.
okay. First of all, I am to wish you Happy New Year. During last month, during December month, I have made some tweets on relating Staffy ecosystem. So I have make some retweet about a Staffy hub, mostly a Staffy hub and a Redis. I retweet and reply the most of Redis and Staffy hub tweets. Um, Next, yeah, I have make some article on Medium, some article about ongoing campaign, ongoing Staffy Hub campaign, and I have make some translate for French speaker because my native language is French. So, but basically, I have make a monthly supporter on Twitter to spread the word about Staffy protocol. Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks, Delphin. Actually, we have seen a great strides posted by you about Steffi, and said to me that you are very active and helpful. So great job, and hopefully we could just work together and contribute more in the next month. Okay, I just seen the message from Kenny. Hi, Glad. I think you are using the title of Glad. Hey, hey, hi Glad, are you there? Hey, we couldn't hear you. We still couldn't hear you. Please check your internet
Maybe you could check
or voice.
the the right side of your browser. Maybe you turn off your browser the settings. Glad.
Or maybe if you are using an headset, you can check it if it is very good.
Uh, okay, I think we give you more minutes and let's move to Alpha. When you are okay, you just say it in the chat. We could notice. Hey, Alpha, are you there?
Yes, I am here. Good, good morning to
Okay.
everyone. I don't. I
Do you
know.
mind to open? Do you mind to open your video so that we could see you?
Sure, yeah, sure. It's here.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Your turn.
Good morning to everybody. Um, it's. I would say it's been a good month. Like December has actually been a good month, and I know many people have come to my DM asking me if I am Alpha Tower. Okay, so I am not Alpha Tower. You get. I wish they could all know that I am not Alpha Tower. Alpha Tower is different from me. Okay, so throughout the last month, it was all about making tweets for StaFi and StaFi products, mostly StaFi Hub, because I'm more interested in StaFi Hub based on the fact that I am more of a Cosmos person. You get, and I tried to spread StaFi Hub to the Cosmos community as much as I could with tweets, with graphics, and a lot of replies to basic tweets. You get, so that was basically my contribution for last month in December. The StaFi community. Thank you.
Okay, great. Yeah, actually, I'm in the ambassador group, and I have seen a lot of your tweets made by you, and hopefully we could just let's keep doing delivering more in the next month.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry guys, just wait for a moment. It seems like a blank is taking care of his baby again. Maybe some emergency happens.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Hi. Sorry for the delay. I think next is uh, Sikak. Am I right? Should it be?
No, 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 that's not right. It's in Sikak, but you can call me Jonathan.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
hello
Your turn.
everyone. Yeah, hello everyone, and a happy new year to everyone. Um, last month was generally a very great month for StaFi, and my major focus was on promotional tweets. I made some promotional tweets for StaFi Hub, and also Audex. I also helped pushed most of the campaigns we had during December, like the influential program and the StaFi moderation program also. So I created promotional tweets. I created articles. I also helped in shillings. I believe shillings also play a good role in promotional content. So I also helped in shilling. I followed up on several Cosmos influencers. So when they ask certain questions about staking, about liquidity, I kind of push my own opinion and also integrate StaFi Hub in them. So I did a lot of promotion last month, especially on Twitter. And I think I started working with Reddit and YouTube. I created a video last month on YouTube about StaFi too. So it generally it was a great month.
Yeah, great. Actually, we have seen your work in on the YouTube. Yeah, actually now we are kind of hoping more contents on the YouTube. Yeah, actually the YouTube channel we are kind of should of low awareness in the channel, and you are quite helping us in the YouTube channel. Thanks. Okay, I think I will ask for Kenny again. Hey Kenny, are you there? I'm also press podcast. Okay. I'll just we have seen your recap in the chat. Sorry, miss. Okay, great. Since let's move to on the final part, the free Q and A's. So I think that we hopefully to use this part is very as a free part. Everyone could just talk anything you want to know about Steffi, and also you could say about the challenges you have met, and also welcome the community members. Actually, we have seen a lot of community members join the meeting, and also we welcome these questions. If you want to speak, you just speak. Yeah.
Hello. I'm here, Alpha Tower again. With regards to the influencer contest, today is the last day for the contest, but the time is kind of vague for the deadline. So right now, community member is asking maybe he wants to join in, and I told him about maybe 11:59 UTC. When it comes to January 6th, it will be invalid, something like that. Is that correct, Blank?
Yeah. Hi, Sarah. Please check about the deadline. I think Alpha is need some confirmation on the deadline, right?
Yes, the deadline because today is the 5th of January, so deadline will be only within the because we have different time zones. So what time zone
Yeah.
will we follow?
Hi, Sarah. What should be the deadline of our influencer contest? It should
Uh,
be today's in 7 p.m. UTC plus 8. Is that right? 7 p.m.
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Okay. Hey, Alpha, it should be 7 p.m. US UTC plus 8. 7 p.m.
Okay. I will inform them. Thank you for the confirmation, Sarah and Blank.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. Any other questions from anyone? Yeah.
Okay, I have a question. Good morning,
Hey,
everyone.
welcome.
Okay, my name is I'm John, and I'm John, the greatest on Discord. So I'm kind of new on the Discord channel, and I've been trying to get familiar with the StaFi hub and everything. So and so
Great.
far I've enjoyed my stay on the Discord channel. So, but I just want to know if there's because I applied for the ambassador program, the StaFi Warrior program recently, and I don't know if they are still taking people for that position because I would love to
Yeah.
contribute to their ecosystem to
Yeah, I
StaFi
think
ecosystem.
yeah, actually, this ambassador program is always open, and you could just fill the application, and we will review all the applications every 15th. If we think there's one applicant that his capability and he or she, yeah, his or her background or experience is very matching our demand right now. Let's say now we need some YouTube content makers. Uh, if you matching our demand, we will contact you so and on board. So that's our procedure.
Right. Okay. I make content on YouTube too, so I'm very good video. I make videos on YouTube, so
Yeah. Yeah, I think I personally very glad you are showing here. You are just asking to join in this program again in this meeting, and I think you could just DM to Sarah and submit your uh, resume or kind of application, and we will review it and tell you about how we think about it. How do you think?
okay. I should DM Sarah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what on Discord? I should DM her on Discord.
Okay, if you DM this Discord, I think Sarah is also has admin role on Discord, and of course you could just contact to anyone. Let's say Alpha and Adam, and even me are there. You could just choose anyone you could find and DM your application, and we will review it.
All right,
Yeah, thanks for your application
thanks.
again. Okay, any questions or thoughts want to share? Hi, Delphin.
Yeah. In your January target, you mentioned that you mentioned DIO governance for Ranger program. I want to know what did you mean by governance for Rangers program?
Sorry, what program? I didn't get it.
Uh, DAO governance for Rangers program. I think
You
you
mean the
mentioned
Rangers
it.
program, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, I think Alpha could just help me to answer the question because he is the person to in charge of the program. You could just ask Alpha directly. Hey, hey Alpha, could you help to answer the question?
Yeah, I think he is correlating the because there are two parts for the now the engagements for the forum, for Dow Forum and the Rangers program. So that I saw that earlier on that page. Can you go back to the page where it's about the Dow Forum? So because it's there, it's a separate matter. So the Rangers program and the Dow Forum is a separate matter. So yeah, there is no DAO for Rangers program. It's just a sub ambassador program just below the Warriors program that we handle for now with regards to the engagements and interactions with the social media movement.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, great. Any other questions or ideas?
Hey guys.
Hey, Mr. Messiha, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, please go.
Happy New Year. Okay. I'd like to say Happy New Year to everyone. My name is Messiah Akman. So I'm very happy to be in the StaFi community. So I saw the call pool, so I decided to join up and listen to discussions about StaFi because actually StaFi Hub, yeah. I'm really more interested in StaFi Hub. I've been following on Discord. I've been checking a whole lot about StaFi Hub, and since it has to do more with the Cosmos ecosystem, so I became kind of interested in it. So I joined up to listen to how StaFi Hub is going, the progress it's making. I've been seeing the posts that have been coming out, so I've been participating in a few of them. So I think it's really going great over there. So I also like to I checked out the StaFi Warriors application and it's still open. So I dropped an application as well. So Johnny Fiok mentioned about if the Warrior application is still open. So I was glad to hear it's still open. Anyways, so I want to know if any more polls will be out on StaFi Hub. That's my question.
Yeah, actually, they are open and welcome to apply.
I think you're mute. You're on mute. We can't hear you.
Hello? Yeah. I think all the Warrior applications openings are open, so welcome to apply. Messia. Yeah, welcome to apply. Yeah, I have seen you raise your hands. Please go. Hey,
Okay, okay. Yeah, I heard you. I heard you. I say thank you. Thank you.
okay. Any other questions or ideas? Okay, if no, actually, I think I have a open topic for you guys about the state fees governance. Actually, we want to enable the face on-chain vote, but actually we have three kind of face tokens, which is ERC20 and StaFi Chain Native, and also StaFi Hub which is ICIS 20. So, but if we, but we should have a place for all these three different kind of free tokens to vote, right? Do you guys have some ideas on how should we vote based on this scenario or situation we have faced? Anyone has some ideas? Actually, it's an open topic. Everyone could just speak and sing and share how you think we should design on this on-chain vote scheme. Anyone have ideas on that? How should we vote with face tokens? Anyone have thought?
So yeah, right now, uh, this is Alpha Tower. So right now, it's kind of difficult to balance it out. Maybe we need to discuss it more in the forum. And I think if all of us here are just we need I think we need to discuss it with the community. Maybe they have uh, other suggestions, or I think we need to promote it in the forum so that we could get more ideas, because right now it is very difficult for have three token standards to use as a governance vote. So the percentage may vary, and it's hard to scale. So it's hard to scale with the three tokens. So if it were me, if it was me, I I would go with the StaFi main chain. So the native token for the use the native uh, StaFi chain, because the native because we are StaFi, right? So most or all of the community must know how to use uh, this native StaFi wallet, how to send, how to vote, etc. Because that is the main thing. And but that's just my suggestion.
Yeah, got it. So you stand for the StaFi native.
I think I agree with Alpha
Yes,
Tower. Um, an interesting thought would also be to use our fizz instead of fizz to ensure that the people that vote are actually staking as well.
So our face, right?
yes, more
Yeah,
utility,
correct.
Yeah, great idea.
utility for
Yeah,
peace analysis.
yeah. Any other ideas? Actually, Shirley is our project manager, and she is designing that vote product right now. So I think Shirley could just also share some ideas so that everyone could know how we are thinking about this question right now.
Maybe I prefer like let the community speak more, and then later I can say like what are you guys thinking, and then I can introduce briefly about how the product's going on. What do you think, Black? So any more
Okay,
idea like?
okay, no problem. Any other guys have some ideas on that? Okay, if no, I think we will read the discussion thread on the forum so that everyone from the community could just write down your ideas and Shirley and the core team will just collect the ideas from the community and yeah make the voice from the community into the scheme design. Okay. Uh, for the last time, anyone have some ideas, any questions or challenges you have matching that you want to hear from the team? Anyone? Uh, if no, I think this will be. Hey Joe, welcome.
All right. Like I said before, so I've been trying to like get used to the StaFi ecosystem and everything because I'm new here. So recently I've gone through the road and the white paper and trying to like get familiar with the white paper, and I think it's kind of interesting. And the white paper has a lot of information about the project as a whole. So I've also been making tweets and making designs on Twitter to like support StaFi and like retweet and comment on their Twitter post. So while I was going through the white paper, I noticed that I don't know if it is an error, but I noticed that there's no roadmap. I don't know if it has been updated, but last time I checked, there was no roadmap on the white paper.
You mean roadmap on which month?
There's
Roadmap
no
of what?
roadmap on the white paper.
Uh, sorry. Anyone could? I didn't get the last word.
So maybe the roadmap for White Keeper.
Yeah, yeah, the roadmap for the white paper.
What paper, right?
Yeah, the white paper. There's no roadmap on the white paper.
Oh, okay. Actually, now we release our roadmap on the Medium, which means that you could see every monthly roadmap and the quarterly roadmap and even the yearly roadmap on StaFi's official Medium.
Yeah, I think it was also published on Twitter also, so you can find it on Twitter. The
Yeah.
roadmap you will see.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. If no, I think I will just call it end of this meeting. And
Let's say
again,
just
thanks.
um
Oh,
yes.
hey, Misaha. I don't know I'm pronouncing right.
Yeah, yeah. Thank
Hey,
you, Blank.
please
Thank
go.
you. I checked out stuff. I checked out the YouTube and yeah, the Reddit. I saw that Reddit was not kind of active. I don't know why. Is it that there are no more there are no many oh, there's no active community on Reddit or something. I don't know why. I wanted to know why it's not really active, because I know Reddit is a good social media on its own, where you can actually get an active community where people ask questions and receive answers. People share their views on particular projects. So I don't know. I wanted to know if it could be more active and appealing more members and lots of that. And I also found out that it's good to actually go to other subreddits and share your views on the particular project. So I don't know. I didn't really find that with stuff. I don't know if that can be um brought in. So that's my question.
Yeah, you mean which channel, forum or YouTube? Actually, I'm missing that part. You mean which
Reddit,
channel
Reddit,
is
Reddit.
Reddit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah, actually, we have a strategy, a kind of focus strategy on the social media management. Actually, we choose. Yeah, we are a small team. Frankly, we are a small team. You could just see it here. So we have to focus the marketing resources and budgets on the main channels, which we choose Telegram, Discord, Twitter. Yeah, these three channels. Actually, the other channel, let's say YouTube, the Reddit, and Instagram, we just not will put resources or budget on that channel. So that's why you see it's not active in Reddit.
Yeah.
Okay,
Also,
okay. Yeah,
I would
thank
like
you.
to say a little bit on that. I believe Reddit have a lot of Twitter audience, a lot of crypto audience. So last month I actually experimented Reddit. I dropped some posts and I saw some very good response from people. They were kind of intrigued and kind of more interested. So moving forward this month, I'll be really focusing on Reddit because I feel they have a lot of crypto audience, and also posting regularly on StaFi Reddit community. I think that is going to help. And also, you mentioned trying to enter other subreddits. I also tried that with the Cosmos subreddit. I saw a lot of response. So moving forward, like this month, I'll be pushing more on Reddit also, alongside with YouTube and Twitter.
Yeah, great, great. Very glad to see your very motive contribution, and yeah, great. Thanks for your suggestion and your contribution. As for Reddit, we will just give a second thought on whether we should put more resources in there. And yeah, first I will have to admit that Reddit is quite growing with their NFT mass adoption, and a lot of crypto members are there. Yeah, I agree, and we will talk it for a second thought on that. Thanks. Okay.
Thank
Any other questions? Hey. Okay, if no, I think it's the time because it's about 60 minutes passing. Okay, hi everyone. Very glad have you guys here, and we talked about great things. And let's fight for the January. I think the January will be a wonderful month because I think Stevie has maybe catch the hype of the Shanghai upgrade. So everyone in the operation team should just cap that hype and improve our awareness, brand awareness of StaFi, and increase adoption by releasing the incentive programs. Okay, thanks for everyone's contribution, and also thanks for the coming of the committee members. Let's see you next month. Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Happy
Happy
New
New
Year,
Year,
everyone.
guys.
Bye. Happy New
Bye.
Year.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Hi guys.
Right.